Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to actually be at two different Home Depots. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way you traverse the platform by subscribing and likes. Guys, I'm looking here for the speed saw bits. The ones that have the guide at the end. I did not see these at this store, so I went to another store and found them. But I'm just showing you guys, if you guys are looking for these bits, they're at the Dremel section. So where you see the Dremel section, there's a little section hanging to the side. That's where you see those. Alright, so, and guys, alright, we got the BOGO M12 deals. We got the installation driver and the 100 reciprocating saw kits. Buy those, get one of these tools for free. Those are really great deals. Just awesome deals, and we've had some from before. Online, they're actually even better. Guys, this is the clearance section. They're cleansing some of these out. I had no idea Cub Cadet made electric mowers, so I guess it's on clearance. So it's for half the price. It's crazy. I never seen that they're actually made electric mowers. So it does include a 30 amp hour battery. It says 30 inch, 56 volts. Then you got some of the controls there, some light switches on and off. And then this one's a clearance too for half the price. So check out your, if you're looking for those, make sure you guys check your Home Depots. Now I was looking at these, and these I did not see any tags on these, just regular prices. I'm pretty sure they're gonna lower them down because they're dirty. So they're outside, they're dirty, so they're gonna be clearancing this out. Hopefully they'll tag them and lower the price. Alright, so we got this one. This one's a really good deal. This one's $249 down from $499. 18 volt 18 inch push mower. This is the one from the metal deck. It does include the batteries in there, so they are in there, and the charger, I believe, it's on the bag. And then this one's a Troy built with the Briggs & Stratton engine. $299. Like I said, these might go lower because they're gonna be dirty. They're gonna be outside in the elements, and this is the way it looks. Doesn't that look nice? All right, so we got a clearance section here. We got some clothing, and then again, guys, make sure you guys scan all these items if you guys are interested, because they might be lower than what they appear. So we got the shorts there for $26.06. You got the pants there for $44.98. Alright, I don't know if we went this over last time we were here, or all these tools were. I'm just going to go over them again just to make sure we got. I believe there's a few new ones here. Got the Ryobi blower for $149. Got the 3-tool combo kit with the circ saw, hammer drill there. $280 down from $349. So 3-tool combo kit M18. Then we got an impact wrench, a screw gun. So that's the screw gun. $169 for the drywall screw gun. And then we got the impact wrench, $289. And then we got $199 for the green laser level from Bosch for $299. That's the case right there. And then we saw the Ridgid. I don't know if we saw this last time. The Ridgid, this is a 5-tool combo kit with the circ saw, oscillating tool, impact driver, drill driver, and then you got a light. Alright, so $219 for this one. Alright, we got a circular saw. This is a brushed, I believe it's a brushed circular saw. $39, $39.97. It's a 5.5 inch. Then we got a starter kit. It looks like a 2 amp hour. Is that a 2? Yeah, 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour starter kit. $120. So it is, they lowered the price from $149 to $120. I believe last time it was $149. And then they got this nail gun here, or this framing nailer. They did lower the price on this one from $199 to $172. So guys, keep an eye out on all those items and make sure you guys scan them, because sometimes they don't update them. Got the whole dozer 7-piece, $29.88. Then you got some vacuums here, 18 volt 4.75 gallon wet and dry vacuum, $79. So those were left over from the holidays. They got a hammer drill, 600 inch pounds, $39.97. tool only. So no batteries, no chargers. Alright, we're here at the second store. I know my windshield's dirty. You guys keep telling me. I haven't had time to wash my truck, so just disregard that. Alright, so yeah, guys, we do have some packages. Remember, guys, when you guys see packages like that, make sure you guys take them up to customer service and ask for a discount. I don't know if they're going to give you 10%, 20%, or whatever they're going to give you. So just make sure you guys take it up to them. And there's a few boxes that are torn apart, as you guys do see. Then they had this one for $90, down from $119. I believe on the last store I saw it for $60, but I did forget to film it. So just keep an eye out. And guys, DeWalt's coming out with the new backpack sprayer, battery operated backpack sprayer. So keep an eye out for that one. I believe Joe the Tool Guy or some of the other guys already had that, you know, in their videos, or they made a video about it. This one's down to $60, down from $80.26, so $61. It is a ladder. And then you got this one down to $23, a carbide blade with the star, the star link, or the star lock. There you go, star lock. It's a bimetal wood. Then you got this one, $13, down from $16.98. Looks like a scraper blade. And you got a few more up here. The first one's $30, down from $39. And you got some wood metal. $14, down from $17.98. Alright, so we got the welders. I never go over the welders. Some of you keep asking me about the welders. So $4.99. This is the Lincoln Electric 125 HD wire feed welder. This is the 125 HD. So it is a wire feed weld up to 5/16 thick metal. Then you got this one's for $6.99. This is the 140 HD wire feed welder. It welds up to 5/16. It is 120 volts, 20 amp input power. It says bestseller. It says require no shielding gas. So you can use flux core, MIG. So you can use several different ones. Same thing with this one. You can use all kinds. They did not have a tag on that one, so I went looked at the bottom. So it's 180 HD wire feed welder, $8.49. It is compatible with all those two, and I believe some of those wires are. I'm not a welder, by the way, by any chance. So hopefully I'll get some training and start welding. But I believe some of them are required to have gas in them. Some of the wires. All right, so if you guys didn't know, you guys can make your SDS into a regular drill. So you can receive the cheaper bits, because you guys know SDS bits are really expensive. So if you guys want to put your cheaper bits, like regular drill bits, concrete drill bits, you can use that adapter. I don't know if you guys knew, but I just thought I'd point it out. And they got this one for $9.88. If you got a shed, you got a garage, a small garage, or storage area, you want to have a fire extinguisher. Alright, you got the free battery. So you buy any of the kits on the bottom, and you get a free two pack or a 1 pack of 4 amp hour battery. You can select any of these, and just $79 one is the cheaper one. So if you want the batteries, and you guys could hack them too. So if that's what you want to do, you can probably hack it. This is one of the kits you can buy with the circular saw and the drill. Here's the one with the drill for $79. And here's the impact driver there for $99. So guys, lots of good deals there on that. So if you're into the Ryobi platform. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.